In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Microsoft Teams sharing bar. Whether you're hosting a meeting or sharing content with your team, maintaining control over what gets shared and how can be crucial for privacy and order. So, let's get started. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on this and use your account credentials to log in. This step ensures that you have full access to your Teams dashboard and all the features necessary for this tutorial. Next, it's important to locate the community section. This is where all your team activities, including meetings and shared content, are managed. So go ahead and click on Community. Once you're in the community section, you need to select your specific community. Think of your community as your dedicated space within Microsoft Teams where your group's interactions happen. Finding and clicking on your community will bring you to the next crucial step. After entering your community, look for the gear icon. This small but mighty icon is typically located towards the top or side of your screen, and it's your gateway to settings and customization options. Clicking on this will move you forward in our process. Now that you're in the settings area, you're very close to achieving our goal. Look for an option labeled Settings and click on it. Within the settings menu, you'll find various options to customize your team's experience to best suit your needs. Here's the final step. Toggle off the option to allow Member Share Link. This effectively hides the Microsoft Teams sharing bar, reducing clutter and enhancing the focus during your meetings or community interactions. It's a simple switch, but one that can significantly impact your team's communication dynamics. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully hidden the Microsoft Teams sharing bar, making your digital workspace cleaner and more focused. If you want to reverse this action in the future, simply revisit the settings and toggle the option back on. Remember, customizing your Microsoft Teams experience can enhance productivity and ensure that your digital workspace serves your community's needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching.